Now here number system for standard 9. Now it is here explanation of some irrational number. Irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number is a number is called irrational number if it cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Any number in the form of p by q can be written as in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, p and q are integers, is called rational number. But irrational number is any number which cannot be written down in the form of p by q. Second part of the irrational number definition is second concept is if any number is non-terminating, a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal is called irrational number. Any number, any non-terminating and non-recurring decimal is called irrational number. So especially when the question is given, insert some irrational number between this and this. Then some examples I explain it here. Here it is given insert two irrational number between 2 and 2.5. Between 2 and 2.5, some irrational number put up. Two irrational number. So now here you see, consider the following number. There is no formula, nothing, just imagination, imagine it. Between 2 and 2.5, what is the irrational number? Now consider the following numbers: 2.10, 100, 100, 1 dot dot dot. In that way we can write down. This is called non-terminating decimal. This is not terminate. Second one is 2.20, 100, 100, dot dot dot. In that way we can write down up to infinity. So these two numbers are non-terminating number, and both the numbers are lies between 2 and 2.5. Just you can see 2 and 2.5. Between them 2.10. Between them 2.20. Second example. Write three irrational number between 0.5 and 0.6. Consider the number 0.51, 511, 5111 and so on. 0.53, 533, 533 dot 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 and so on. 0.57, 577, 5777 and so on. Even in place of 0.57 can be taken as 0.59, 599, 5999, anything can take it. So all these numbers are non-terminating decimal. So this number is called irrational number. So either few numbers are given to substitute in decimal form, or maybe sometimes it is given state an irrational number lying between these two rational number. 2 by 5 and 3 by 7 are rational number. So between rational number, how to put irrational number? Their property is if A and B are having rational number, then the irrational number are root under A into B. Now, irrational number lying between 2 by 5 and 3 by 7 is equal to root under 2 by 5 into 3 by 7, that is root under 6 by 35. Suppose one more irrational number is given to substitute. Suppose here it is A and here it is B, and between them you will get root under AB. Suppose it. Now, suppose second rational number is given, so then here A is equal to how much? 2 by 5, and root under AB is how much? Root under 6 by 35. Root under 6 by 35. Now, between these two, whatever the irrational number, root under this one. When you find out the root under this one, then 2 by 5, their power is 1 by 2 into 6 by 35, their power is 1 by 4. Now this is irrational number between this A and root under AB, that is the second irrational number. Even if it is given third irrational number to put, then B value is how much? 3 by 7, and root under AB is how much? root under 6 by 35. Then in that case we can take root under b is 3 by 7 into root under 6 by 35. Now that is equal to how much? Root under 3 by 7 and into root under 6 by 35, that is 3 by 7 whole to the power 1 by 2 into 6 by 35, their power is 1 by 4. Now this is the irrational number. So between any two rational number, the irrational number are root under AB. Next example you can see. Now the next example I have given the same way. Find the irrational number which is lying between 2 and root 3 and root 2 and root 3. An irrational number between 2 and root 3 is root under 2 into root under 3. When you remove this one, then root under 2 separate and root under 3. Root under 2 into 3 to the power how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 here power, 1 by 2 here power. So 1 by 4. Find the irrational number between root 2 and root 3, that is equal to root under root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3 is how much? Root under 6. So root under 6, that is 6 to the power 1 by 4. So in this way can substitute few irrational number between, either it is in decimal value is given or rational number is given between two, or one rational one irrational given, or both are irrational number given. So all three examples I explain it. You can understand this one and you can substitute irrational number. Next part in number system is some irrational number are given and it is given to represent on the real number line. Irrational number represent on real number line. Rational number representation is given in standard 7 and 8. But irrational number represent on real number line. This is very important part. Suppose it is given represent root under 2, root under 3, root under 5, root under 6, root under 7, root under 8, root under 9, root under 10, root under 15, root under 17, like this on the real number line. So try to understand here the basic concept. Basic concept is just we will think which number is given to represent it. Suppose root 2 is given to represent. Then we will think, suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC. Their main concept is, now we will think how much unit will take the perpendicular and base so that we will get AC equal to root under 2. Just can imagine it. How much value of unit AB and BC we will take so that AC we will get root 2. Pythagoras theorem is saying AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here you think how much unit of AB and BC we will suppose it or take it so that this AC square we will get root 2. Naturally, if this is 1 unit, if you will take, then this value we will get root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So AB is equal to root under 2. Same way, now suppose root under 3 is given to represent. Then how much is base and how much is perpendicular will suppose so that AC we will get root under 3. Now you see, if we take BC root under 2 and AB 1 unit, then this one we will get root under 3. BC square, root 2 square is 2. AB square is 1, so 2 plus 1, 3, so AC we will get root 3. Now, how to represent this one? First we draw a number line First we will draw a number line. This one. This is 0. After that, few centimeters, you think yourself according to your convenience how much centimeter you will take 1 unit. Suppose normally 2 or 3 centimeter will suppose 1 unit. This is one. Between them it is 3 centimeter or 2 centimeter, but we will add on 1 unit. 1. Similarly 2. Put the straight scale here, and for each 2 centimeter you mark it, and then you write down 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, like this. -1, -2, like this. Between all these intervals are having 2 centimeter. Suppose √2 is given to represent it. So now this is base. At 1 unit, construct 90 degree. Here I construct 90 degree. Construct 90 degree. Now this is base. This angle is 90. Measure this distance 1 unit and cut it from this part. Suppose this one. Now this is A. So this is also 1 unit. A. Suppose B. Now AB is 1 unit. OB is 1 unit. If you join this one, then OA square is equal to AB square plus OB square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So OA is equal to how much? √2. So this value we will get √2. Now put the compass here, measure this length OA and draw an arc. Suppose it is intersect at P. Now this P point represent √2. Now this P point represent √2, and OP is √2 distance. Exact, this is point which is represent √2, and OP is √2 unit distance. Now you think √3 is given to represent. What we will do? First we represent √2. After that, at this point P, construct 90 degree. Suppose this angle 90 degree construct. My protector also can construct it. Now this is √2 unit distance, and again 1 unit you cut it from this point. This is 1 unit. Suppose it is C. So this PC is how much? 1 unit. This OP is how much? √2 unit. Now join OC. Now OC square is equal to OP square plus PC square. OP square means √2 square. PC square means 1 square. √2 square is 2. 1 square is 1. That is 3. So OC is equal to how much? √3. It means this distance we will get √3. Again, put the compass here. Measure this length OC and draw an arc, that is √3 value. Suppose it is Q. So now this Q point represent √3 and OQ represent √3 units distance. So if √2 is given, you can understand. √3 is given, can understand. Suppose √5 is given to represent. Just you think √5, how can we get it? √5, draw number line 0, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. Again I am telling you, this 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, according to your convenience you suppose it. Either 2 centimeter 1 unit or 3 centimeter 1 unit. Maximum 3, minimum 2. Now you think in any right angle triangle, how you will get this √5. If you take this perpendicular 1 unit and base 2 unit, then this square is equal to 2 square plus 1 square, that is 5. So this will be √5. Now here what we will do? 1 unit, 2 unit base, at 2 construct 90 degree. This is 90 degree. After that 1 unit you cut it. This is A, this is B. Now AB is 1 unit. If you join this one, now this is how much? √5. Put the compass here, draw an arc. Now this P point, this P is √5. and this OP is root under 5 unit. So either you take base 2 unit, perpendicular 1 unit, or base 1 unit and perpendicular 2 unit. 1, 2. Now this is 2 unit, this is 1 unit. So this distance is how much? Root under 5. Now again with center O, radius this one, you draw an arc. This is root under 5. Similarly, if it is given root 6, now the students can think root 6. How can you take root 6? Suppose if anywhere it is given to represent root under 6. Now just you think, how can you take root under 6? Now you see, in this way. Root 2 and 2. 2 square is how much? 4. And root 2 square is how much? 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. So this will be, you get root 6. It means how to represent? 0, 1, 2, like this. 3. First we represent root 2. Root 2 at 1 construct 90 degree. From that 2 unit you cut it. Now you see the perpendicular is 2 unit. So first you represent root 2. 1 unit. Join this one. This is root 2 point. At this point construct 90 degree. Again. Now this distance is root 2. Now 1 unit. 2 unit. This is 1 unit. This is second unit. Now if we join this one, now you see this is root 2 distance, this is 2 unit distance. So naturally this distance will get how much? Root under 6. Put the compass here, measure this length and draw an arc. This one is root under 6, this distance. And so on we can think.